masuk ini kita boleh sanggup. Jangan punya batok ketua lagi di bawah nana bakal di kablok. Dengan cukup di blok di blok kayak itu kalau semua ini. Disuruh kita semua. Cukup blok kayak itu kalau. Pergi, yukon lah pergi, yukon turun kayak kolom, bangun penuh. Ada yang kita berdekat. Pay structure done by the Honorable Chief Minister, by Pak Arumui, by Pak Menteri, and also by Pak Hashami. This structure, I'm telling you, is so deep, very deep. Last year, let me tell you one thing, we could not see well. Thinking how to structure the package of our beloved teachers, both SSC, ad hoc, as well as food teachers. But let me tell you one thing. By the help of Almighty God, we were able to do it. It is not Conrad Sama, it's not President. He is the one. To make us happen. It has happened. And we are going to continue doing the right thing for the interest of the state. We are all here to witness the joyous moment that we have. My colleague ministers, Mr. Titi Shira, Mr. Sanwar Shulai, he is also part of this celebration. Dr. Silendra is part of this celebration. And the senior officers from the department are all here with all of you. My dearest teachers, thank you so much for collecting yourself over here. Thank you so much for the prayer you made. And please, I fervently request all, remember in your prayers. Right from the Honorable Chief Minister, the Cabinet colleague, all the MLAs of the state, and also the citizens of the state. Please remember in your prayer. Just to refresh your mind, my dearest teachers, as rightly said by your president, Barambar, 2018, we were elected Kasmi Kabansa Chikanmao Paten Jarabe. Balik ko minta namarda. Ito siyang naka-meeting di Jumia Cabinet. Bakit department? Nakabuar siya kabuar. Banpun tigna. Bakata kajing aklatin, ba't kajing rin muslim ko Jumia. Bangin Wenko, halu population. And it has happened. Nung bigay balik na nalagyan ng hadur, kakmat na bahur sa pagkito. Namar balaga piong sa kumlo-kumlo. Pinsyong tan. Katung kapor balabu pansyong tan. Ngidangin keren. Bila banle saya binik arti. Nangesem bagi jelang di kelajuni. Kami berlajuh. Paten. Nangesem bagi nom kali. Ini terang bagi kita. Banten urong ya tadi. Our Honorable Chief Minister, we shared from time to time. He said, he used to call me Awang. Sesungguhnya di Pulau Nikai Garu, kamu di Awang. Aku Ali Awang, ini orang Awang. Because we have taken the decision that let us bring reformation for the secondary and the higher secondary. Ini bersama bakati bersama okay. Bapak yang lut, ngan orang PM, ni datang kibri. Kita pun kisi duna, terus itu ni dikeren. Ini yang boleh cukup. Bagi set up dia dengan Education Commission, dengan ini kesertaan bahawa serius kampam dia tak boleh bukti. We don't want a commission. But kami ibu, yang members of the commission di educationist. Kebanyakan lu, saya pasal ini tidak kebanyakan lu. Dalam ni batok ketua lagi di bawah nana bakal di kablok. Dengan cukup di blok di bawah blok, kaya di kablok. Semua ini, disuruh kita semua. Cukup blok, kaya di kablok. Pergi, pergi, turun kaya kolong, bangkit penuh. Ada yang ketah berdekat. Dari awal ini, kaku kahempuk, kaya inisiatif kalau si minister kat Education Department kasih. Kalau kejingkerku, jadi pun sama cumi kampang anak pulau. Ini bagi jelang di kerajaan ini, kayo siswa, laga siswa ada jenang bercerita. Ngapa pantong lebih? Kacimlah bercerai. Kasain kabalat bandoi yang bercerita. Kaban nukong kadai anak education. Laramilah, bantulah. Yaki kompreka, bantuan janai, yaki polisi mereka. Kagwedei, baka education sector, ngakernen scam, baka jelam di kelayaan ini, kan deus baka longlu kawin ng isti, kaban auna, habo karin dia jadi perempuan.